Moving on to the second article. In this article, another topic is about Mukesh. Mukesh is living in Firozabad. You must have heard the place Firozabad. It's a hub means the main central point of making glass bangles. You must have heard Kanch ki chodiyan. Throughout the world, where the ladies are wearing those glass bangles, all these glass bangles are made where? In Firozabad. People, they have spent the generations in making those glass bangles. They used to sit near the furnaces, molding and painting and polishing the glasses and making the beautiful glass bangle for the ladies. Mukesh is one among such children. If the law has been implied forcefully, then more than 20,000 children of his age can be saved from that hutments, from that, what you can say, furnaces. They spend the whole life there sitting in front of the furnaces. Before becoming adult, they used to lose their eyesight because of the polishing of the glass. They lose their eyesight. Their eyes are more adjusted in the temperature inside of the dark inside. They can't adjust in the outside light. But there was a spark in Mukesh. He doesn't want to be a bangle maker. He doesn't want to carry forward the business of his family. He wants to be a motor mechanic. So narrator asked, "You need to learn that." He said, "No problem. I will walk. I will go to the garage and learn it." Because he wants to be. He wants to change his profession, but he is afraid of. Afraid of what? He is afraid of the bureaucrats, the politics, the police, the sahukar, the so-called landlords, because they are so much indebted that the whole generation after generation they spend their lives in paying that rent. Nobody is there to organize them. If they try to do something different, it is daring, and daring is not the part of Mukesh's life. But still, when the narrator has seen that spark in Mukesh, she was happy, because they are afraid. If they try to do something different, have some different business, they will be first of all stopped by the policeman. They will be dragged to the jails. Because of that, you can say tradition, the policies made by the policy makers. So these two are the children. They have lost their spring, they have lost their childhood. They are working as laborers. But in our constitution, child labor is banned. But who bothers about that? Still, you can say the children working in restaurant, working in, what you can say, cracker factory, especially. Every year we hear that because of the blast in a cracker factory, so many children, they lost their lives. They are working there. They are the cheapest labor for the industrials. You can say they are working in carpet industry, in weaving the carpets, in matchbox industry. They are working as labor. The reasons are the parents are not able to can't afford them to send to school to get education. They want that as many as hands will work, they will get more money, extra money to feed their stomachs. So they don't afford, they don't like to send their children to the school. But we need to force the laws forcefully, and only then these children will get their right, which is known as right to education. Because the law says before the age of 14, or any children under the age of 14 should not work in such hazardous conditions. So that's all. Next we will start reading of this chapter.